floors can start to lose their shine over time, whether they're tile or hardwood. Foot traffic, dust, grease, and even residue from other cleaners can slowly build up and leave the surface looking dull. Even after mopping, the floor may still look a little cloudy or worn. The good news is that you don't necessarily need expensive floor cleaners to bring back that fresh, clean look. Start by filling a mop bucket with about 1 gallon of warm water. Warm water helps loosen dirt and grease much more easily than cold water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. This works as a gentle cleaning agent that helps lift grime and residue from the floor without being too harsh. Then pour half a cup of white vinegar. The combination of vinegar and salt helps break down buildup that can make floors look dull. After that, add 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Dish soap helps cut through oily residue and allows the cleaning solution to spread evenly across the floor. Give the mixture a good stir until the salt dissolves and the water becomes lightly soapy. Once everything is mixed, dip your mop into the bucket and wring it out well so it's damp rather than soaking wet. This is especially important if you're cleaning hardwood floors, since too much water can damage the wood. Mop the floor as you normally would, working your way across the room in sections and letting the surface dry naturally. If you notice areas where dirt tends to collect, like grout lines on tile or corners along baseboards, you can dip a small brush into the solution and gently scrub those spots before mopping again. This simple combination helps loosen dirt, remove residue, and bring back a cleaner, brighter look to your floors without relying on expensive cleaning products.